Hi, welcome to the Virtual Electrician, TVE, your one-stop shop for do-it-yourself electrical help. Today, I will show you how to install a wired doorbell after the house is already finished without doing any drywall damage. You will need low voltage 2-wire, 2-gang cut-in boxes, 14 2-wire doorbell chime, transformer, and your doorbell button. Most houses have a switch box right by the front door so you can turn on the light when you enter the house. The first thing you want to do is turn off the breaker to that circuit. Then you are going to remove that box by breaking it apart with a screwdriver and clines. Once you have the box out of the way, you're going to cut another 2-gang box hole right above this switch. This is where the chime and transformer will go. You will be able to see the siding from the hole where the switches were. You will drill a small hole outside where your doorbell button will go. You will need to run 14 2-wire from the switch box up to where the transformer and chime will go. Next, you will run low voltage wire from the 2-gang box up high to outside where the button will go. Install the 2-gang cut-in back into the wall and reinstall your switches. Tie the wire you ran to power the transformer into the circuit, constant hot. Ground wires to ground, neutral to neutral, and hot to hot. Next, install the 2-gang cut-in box up high and put the low voltage wire and feed into the same box. Wire up the transformer color to color. Install the low voltage red wire onto the transformer. Wire nut the white wire to another short piece of low voltage wire. Stick the red wire from that piece onto the other screw of the transformer. Mount the chime bracket. Fish the short piece of wire through the chime bracket. Screw the other end of the short piece of low voltage wire on the chime terminals. Like this video and subscribe to our page for other helpful videos.